Hello, welcome to a creature update, and I'm going to talk about the new creature pack file format that I'm really proud to present you today. And as you know, in Creature you can export your character animation into game engines, and right now we have had a couple of file format options. We have the creature JSON and recently the creature flat data binary version of the JSON, which is a more compact and faster loading version of that. And there is now a new file format called the creature pack file format. Okay, you're probably wondering why we have another file format. Well, it makes a lot of sense actually, because the creature flat data creature JSON is the fully featured version of the creature runtime character file format. It has everything you probably need for 2D character animation in games. But what if you needed a more lightweight solution, or if you wanted to just perform some basic functionality, but you wanted it fast and you wanted to be able to propagate lots of characters on screen. So this is what the creature pack file format is, and let me introduce it to you. There is full documentation already. The creature pack file format is currently supported in the Creature Unreal 4 animation plugin. There's a new plugin for that. It's also supported, I'll show you in a bit, in the new Haxe Flash plugin, and also in the WebGL plugins. Okay, so we can port it to other runtimes if you guys request it. Now let me go through the creature pack file format versus the original JSON or flat data binary file format, and you'll see the difference. As you can see, it's a lightweight version of the original JSON flat data file format, and it allows you to do the following things. You can change creature animations, you can blend them, do all the usual animation switching, clip switching. Okay, so that's fine. And it's also very suitable if you want to animate a much larger group of characters, like crowd scenarios, because the playback bypasses the bone posing or skeletal posing engine completely. In other words, this is essentially the same as you using pose caching or point caching turned on in the original JSON flat data file format. Alright, so the playback speed is very, very fast because it doesn't go through the actual posing engine. Now the downside of it is, because it's a more compact representation, it doesn't actually have skeletal or bone information. In other words, you're not able to extract positions of bones or skeletons, and so if you need that, you're going to have to use the original creature JSON or flat data file format. And I'm going to be adding actually even more functionality to the original JSON or flat data format to do cool stuff like runtime procedural animation. Like you can actually put in your own IK solver, for example, and override certain bone positions. So in the future, what the roadmap what we're going forward for the runtime is the creature JSON and flat data is going to be the fully featured big brother of the creature pack file format, and you can pick and choose which file format you want based on your needs, right? So for main characters, you probably want to pick the creature JSON or flat data, and then for, say, background characters, props, or trees, or vegetation, you can probably get by with a creature pack file format because it's more compact, it plays back faster, right? Now, having said that, even though you don't actually have the bone or skeletal information, you do actually have the ability to spawn particles or attach external objects off vertex positions. Okay, so you still have that ability to do attachments, and this is actually illustrated in the new Unreal Engine creature pack file format plugin, where you're actually able to attach things off a character based off the vertex position, and there's a nice visualization tool already included in the new plugin that allows you to do just that. Okay, so check it out. The full documentation is already on the page, and this is an example of the new creature pack file format running with the standard creature dragon mascot, and you can see the flames are actually getting spawned off or attached through that vertex close to the mouth. Okay, so you can still do attachments. In other words, it still performs a lot of the major functionalities you expect from a game 2D character file format. Okay, and you get all the deformations too. Okay, so that's the cool thing about the creature pack file format. This is the new Unreal Engine creature pack plugin demo. You can grab it off the creature runtimes of the Unreal plugin. But the cool thing about this file format is because it's more portable and easier to transcribe to other platforms or frameworks, we also now have quite a few things. Now, Creature also supports Flash through the Haxe framework, the Haxe language, and this page actually shows you the new Haxe plugin running off the Creature Pack file format. So it's pretty cool. So you actually can run creature deformations, full form mesh deformations in Haxe, and then target Flash. And I'll show you a demo right now. This is the Creature runtime for Haxe or Flash, and I'm going to run it, and you can see it running in my Flash player. So this is a live real-time Creature Raptor character running in the Adobe Flash player. Okay, so now Creature also supports runtimes for Haxe or Flash targets. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And in the future, right now the current frameworks we support are Haxe Flixo and the Stage 3D renderer. But in the future, we're also going to target Starling as well. So if you want Starling, please let us know. And finally, here's an example of what the Creature Pack file format can do. This is actually running in JavaScript in the WebGL runtimes, and there's quite a few dinosaur characters running in real time, by the way, in your browser right now. The regular JavaScript JSON file format is a bit slower if you don't use point caching, but with the Creature Pack file format, you can throw a ton of characters on screen, which is precisely what I was talking about, where this file format is very useful if you have crowds characters, because it's optimized for that sort of thing. Okay, so basically that's what I want to talk about today, which is the new Creature Pack file format. I hope you have fun using it for any of the situations that require it, like crowd scenarios or faster character playback. Of course, remember again, if you do need the full JSON of flat data, the runtimes are still there. Okay, so you can now pick and choose what runtime or what file format you need depending on your character game requirements. So thanks for watching.